और एक ऐसा कंट्रोवर्शियल रियलिटी शो जिसके साथ जुड़ने के बाद आपका नाम काफी सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज, काफी सारी खबरों से जुड़ जाता है। और हम बात कर रहे हैं बिग बॉस की उस अदाकारा के बारे में जिन्होंने बिग बॉस सीजन 13 में एंटरटेनर नंबर 1 का टैग हासिल किया। हम बात कर रहे हैं शहनाज गिल के बारे में। शहनाज ने अपना बिग बॉस का स्टिंट खत्म कर देने के बाद नए शो में हिस्सा लिया। शहनाज वहां पे नजर आई अपने लिए दूल्हा ढूंढती हुई, लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है कि उन्हीं के लिए आया हुआ ये प्रोस्पेक्टिव ग्रूम ने फाइनली कर ली है शादी। जी हाँ दोस्तों, कल हम बात कर रहे हैं कमेडियन कम एक्टर बलराज सियाल की, जो नजर आए थे शहनाज के शो मुझसे शादी करोगी में। बलराज उस शो में शहनाज के लिए एक प्रोस्पेक्टिव ग्रूम की तरह आए थे। वो आए थे शहनाज के साथ अपना एक बॉन्ड देखने के लिए और ये देखने के लिए कि कितने अच्छे से शहनाज के साथ वो बॉन्ड कर पाएंगे, और अगर सब कुछ अच्छा होता तो शायद इनकी गाड़ी एक अलग रफ्तार से चलने लग जाती। लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोविड-19 के कारण एंड ऑल्सो शहनाज गिल की फीलिंग्स फॉर सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला के कारण शायद कुछ खास बातें नहीं बन पाई इस जोड़े में। लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है कि बलराज सियाल ने अपने लाइफ में एक नए फेज में स्टेप इन कर लिया है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, द कमेडियन कम एक्टर has already had a hush-hush wedding as he ended up getting tied up to singer Deepti Tulli. Well, the actor's wedding took place on August 7th, 2020 in Jalandhar. Well, एक leading portal के साथ conversation करते दौरान he shared about his Mrs. Right was just 15 minutes away from his home and he never realized that thing. And it took him almost a year to find her and go down on his knees and propose her the heart out of feelings to her. Well, when she gave a nod to this big question, it was somewhat like the love at first sight for Balraj. बलराज ने जब अपनी इस मिसेस परफेक्ट यानी कि हमारी सिंगर दीप्ति तुल्ली के साथ अपनी पहली मुलाकात के बारे में बात करी तो उन्होंने शेयर करा कि वो पहली बार उनको जुलाई 2019 चंडीगढ़ में मिले थे। Later he kept on contacting her but there was no response. He said, "We met in July last year during the shoot in Chandigarh. I was hosting a show while she was performing in it with her band. I developed an instant liking for her, but I guess she didn't like me much or else she would have responded to my text messages." And he laughs. Later, I went to shoot for Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi, but I kept texting her, but didn't get any desired response. But during one of his international trips, the conversation finally began, and then he popped up the question there and then. Well, Balraj ne kaha that it was during my trip to Turkey and Greece that we started having a long conversations. I met her a couple of times after I returned back and proposed marriage to her on my birthday, that's 26th of January, during a getaway in Goa. She was taken by surprise and didn't respond immediately. Then Mujhse Shaadi Karogi came my way. After coming out, I spoke to her again about marriage and honestly, she agreed. Adding further, he mentioned that their families met and took it ahead. Well, उन्होंने कहा that the families met just a few days before the lockdown in March and our horoscopes too matched. The interesting part is she lives 15 minutes away from my home in Jalandhar. वो फासला कवर करने में इतना टाइम लग गया. He added further. When asked what he likes the most in his Mrs. Right, Balraj ne kaha, it was an easy decision for me. She understands my silence and the way she took care of me when I fell ill on my birthday sealed the deal for me. Speaking about this lockdown wedding ceremony, he shared, during the initial months of lockdown, I didn't want to have a social wedding owing to the safety concerns. Then I considered a registered marriage, but Agni ke samne pheri lena zaruri tha. Finally, our parents asked us to come home once the flights resumed and our wedding date was fixed. The शादी happened with all the rituals and I was happy. जब उनसे पूछा गया कि क्यों वो इतना शांतिपूर्वक अपनी शादी कर बैठे और क्यों उन्होंने hush-hush wedding में हिस्सा बने, this is what he said. We could only invite 30 people. I have a large circle of friends and it wouldn't have been possible to invite everyone. Adding further, he also assured of holding a reception when things will actually go back to normal. Balraj ने कहा, I plan to host a huge reception when the situation is back to normal. Well, honestly, we can only wish congratulations to Balraj Sial for the new beginnings in his life, and we really hope the best for him. May he have all the happiness in his life, and congratulations for these new beginnings. You to tell us in the comment section below what do you think about this video. Also, stay tuned to TeleChakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to TeleChakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.